Welcome back students, class 10th. Today we will discuss about the question answer of chapter number 1, that is chemical reaction and equations. So first we are discussing about the in-text question. First question is, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? So why should we clean it? We should clean it because there is a layer of oxide on the magnesium. Magnesium oxide layer is there on the surface of magnesium, so we have to clean it by rubbing with sandpaper. इसीलिए हमें इसको साफ करके ही बर्न करना चाहिए because already there is magnesium oxide on the magnesium ribbon. Now question number 2, write the balanced equation for the following chemical reactions. Hydrogen H2, chlorine is Cl2, then those are giving you HCl. So this is word equation we have written here in the formulas. So how can we balance it? By applying the balancing rules. We have to balance left hand side and right hand side the number of elements. So here 2, here 2, so we have to apply here, and by applying 2 here we this is balanced. Now next is barium chloride. Barium chloride formula is, barium chloride is BaCl2 when it react with aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate formula is this. So first you need to write the chemical formula, after that you are able to balance the reaction. So this is 3BaCl2 aluminum sulfate, then barium sulfate. By applying 2 or 3, maximum 2 or 3, the reaction can be balanced. Next is sodium plus H2O, NaOH and hydrogen is forming. So by applying 2 here, we can balance it. This is also word equations. We have to write their state symbol also by after balancing it. First is barium chloride, sodium sulfate, barium sulfate and NaCl. By applying 2 here, it is balanced, and this is already balanced. So what are their physical state? For solid we have to apply S, for liquid small l, then for gases small g, and for aqueous substance, aqueous means solution in water, for aqueous we have to apply AQ. Then next is question number 1 on the next page. A solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. For whitewashing generally we can use quicklime, CaO. And the next question is, write down the reaction of quicklime with water. So what is going to be formed? Lime water, that is called as slagged lime also. So you have to learn these names, these are important. Common names are more important. Why is the amount of gas collected in one of the test tube in activity? What is that activity? Electrical decomposition. So H2O will break into H2 plus O2. When we balanced it, then 2 and 2, the amount of H2 is double. You can see here by balancing it. So the amount of H2 is double. आपको इसका नाम ही देना है इस क्वेश्चन में. And why the amount is double? From the balancing. Now next is, why does the color of copper sulfate solution changes when iron nail is dipped in it? So this is displacement reaction because iron is more reactive than copper. So it can displace copper sulfate, copper from copper sulfate, and its color becomes green after some time. So color based questions are generally asked in CBSE board exam. Now give an example of double displacement reaction. In your book, sodium sulfate, barium sulfate and sodium chloride example is given. This is another example, sodium carbonate, calcium chloride, calcium carbonate and NaCl is going to be formed. So these are also called as precipitation reactions. Precipitation reaction means solid residue is going to be formed. You have to identify the oxidized and reduced substance in the following reaction. Sodium plus O2. You can see that sodium is gaining oxygen here and converting into sodium oxide. So which substance is oxidized? Sodium is oxidized here because sodium is gaining oxygen. And CuO plus H2. CO is removing oxygen. The removal of oxygen is reduction, so it is reduced substance in this reaction. So those are reduced substance are called as oxidizing agents, and the substance those are oxidizes are called as reducing agents. After that, exercise questions. Now those were in text question. Now exercise question. Which of the statement about the reaction below are incorrect? For this reaction, the statement we have to choose those are incorrect. PbO plus carbon, PbO में से ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रही है, removal of oxygen is called as reduction. So PbO is reduced substance and carbon is oxidized substance. So what is given here? Lead is getting reduced. Lead is not getting reduced here. Lead is here only. Now carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. No, carbon dioxide is not getting oxidized. Carbon is getting oxidized. बिल्कुल सही है ये statement. C and D are correct and A and B are incorrect here. Next is, this reaction is an example of which type? So you can see it that aluminium is more reactive than iron, so it is displacing iron from its solution. So this is, what is the reaction name? Displacement reaction. Displacement is happening here. What happened when dilute hydrochloric acid added to iron filling? Iron Fe plus HCl. Here also displacement reaction takes place. FeCl2 plus hydrogen gas is going to be produced. So this is the answer, hydrogen and FeCl2. Next is, what are balanced chemical equation? Why should we balance the reaction? So we have to balance the reaction according to the law of conservation of mass. Mass is neither be, total mass in the reaction should be constant, equal. Total mass of the reactant and total mass of the product should be constant in the reaction according to the conservation of mass. And what are balanced? A reaction which has an equal number of atoms of all the element on both the sides, that is called as balanced chemical equation. Next question is, that is also balancing question. H2 plus N2 gives you ammonia. H2 plus N2 gives you ammonia. We have to balance it also. Then hydrogen sulfide plus O2 gives you H2O and SO2, sulfur dioxide also. Then BaCl2 and aluminum sulfate is giving you AlCl3 and BaSO4. By applying 2 or 3 we can balance it. This is hit and trial method only. Now directly we have to balance it. HNO3 plus calcium hydroxide, calcium nitrate. So OH, NO2 are double, so we have to apply here 2. And H2O we have to balance it also by applying 2, we can balance it. NaOH H2SO4, you can see that by applying 2 here we can balance it easily. So this is hit and trial method only. NaCl, this is already balanced. BaCl2 H2SO4, by applying 2 here, already we had discussed this example. Now next is, calcium hydroxide and CO2 both are forming CaCO3 limestone and H2O. Then zinc, we have to identify the type of reaction, I think also in this question, or we have to balance this. We have to balance this only. So zinc AgNO3, this is displacement reaction, this is also displacement, and this is double displacement reaction. By applying 2 or 3 we can balance it. For this also we have to identify the type of reaction in each case. This is double displacement, you can see here easily. Decomposition, why it is decomposition? Because one substance is breaking into more than one substance. And here combination, because two substances are combining and forming single substance. And this is displacement, you can see displacement is taking place here. What does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Exothermic, in which heat is going to be evolved, heat जिसमें निकलती है, कंटेनर गर्म हो जाता है. एंडोथर्मिक जिसमें कंटेनर आपका ठंडा हो जाता है. तो एक्सोथर्मिक के एग्जाम्पल कौन से होंगे? Exothermic examples are addition reaction and endothermic decomposition reaction. This example is given here, sodium plus chlorine NaCl and energy is evolving. And this is photosynthesis process. In this we are giving sunlight already, so it is endothermic reaction. Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? Because heat energy is evolving, so that we are warm blooded due to the respiration. Only oxygen taken by glucose molecule and CO2 and water is forming in mitochondria and giving energy in the form of ATP also. Why are decomposition called the opposite of combination reaction? So in this we have to write the definitions of decomposition and combination. We can see that both are reciprocal to each other, because in decomposition AB is breaking into two substances, example is this, and in combination combining, these are combining and energy is also evolving. Write one equation each of the decomposition where energy is supplied in the form of light. So we already had discussed that decomposition reaction are of three types: thermal by applying temperature, decomposition by light, लाइट के थ्रू जो है सब्सटेंस ब्रेक हो सकता है, और decomposition by electricity. H2O का एग्जाम्पल बुक में है, दिस इज डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल. What is the difference between displacement and double displacement? So जिसमें एक सिंगल सब्सटेंस का डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा, that is displacement reaction. More reactive metal can displace the less reactive metal. And in double displacement दो डिस्प्लेसमेंट होंगे. Displacement reactions, double displacement reaction are always precipitation reaction. ये एग्जाम्पल बुक में दे रखा है, दिस इज वाइट PPT. In the refining of silver, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution involved displacement by copper metal. Write down the reaction. This is displacement reaction only. Silver AgNO3 silver nitrate. क्या बनेगा यहाँ पर? Copper nitrate and silver is going to be formed. Why? What do you mean by precipitation reaction? So double displacement reaction, insoluble solid is forming. Though in those reaction, the example are this, and this is your book example, precipitation reaction. Now corrosion and oxidation reduction, we have to explain. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, and reduction means removal of oxygen. So in the term of oxygen we have to give the two examples also. First example is this, CO2, H2 is gaining oxygen here, so it is oxidation, and Cu is gaining oxygen and converting into CO. This is an example of oxidation. Now reduction in the loss of oxygen, we can reverse those reaction. CO2 plus H2, CO2 is removing oxygen and converting into carbon monoxide. So ऑक्सीजन का रिमूवल क्या होता है? रिडक्शन. इसमें भी क्या हो रहा है? ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रही है, सो इट इज रिडक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, शाइनी ब्राउन कलर्ड एलिमेंट X ऑन हीटिंग इन एयर बिकम्स ब्लैक. Shiny brown element is copper. It is reacting with oxygen and converting into black in color, that is copper oxide. Why do we apply paint on iron article? This is simple. Paint क्यों करना चाहिए हमें आयरन पे? So that we can prevent them from rusting. Rusting नहीं हो उन पे. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen because nitrogen is it is using as a preservative. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगा एंड फूड इज नॉट गोइंग टू रेंसिड, खराब नहीं होगा आपका खाना. नाउ एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स विद वन एग्जाम्पल ईच. corrosion, rancidity. Corrosion is reaction with oxygen and humidity, water, and rancidity means spoiling of food in the presence of moisture and air. Your food can spoil, so how can you prevent that? By storing food in tight container, in refrigerator, using antioxidant. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are those the substance those prohibit or prevent the oxidation in the food. Those are called as antioxidants. We can use a preservative also, that is sodium perbenzoate. So these are all about the question answer of chapter number 1. I hope you better understand by this video the question answers. Thanks. Keep watching my new upcoming videos.